Okay, once we have all of these things created, what I want to do is show you the basic layout, how to design your page. It's very user-friendly in the new Google Sites. Basically, you click, you drag, you drop, you resize, and it's beautiful. So you have your different pages. I'm going to start with my home page. So over here, I'm going to click on my home page and say I would like to edit that. And you'll notice over here on the right sidebar, you have the Insert tab. Basically, you can insert text boxes, you can insert images, you can embed another website even right there, upload something from, like if you have a PDF file saved on your computer, upload that. Now, you can of course hit the text box button here, gives you a text box. And very basic options. You can change it to change the style of the text, and you can be more personal if you want to bold, italicize, whatnot. Now the only thing is you do not have the options to edit the color, because the color is determined by your theme. So you are kind of limited, but it keeps you from making a really ugly site because you can only have colors that look good together. And you can just do whatever you would like. Over here on the left, if you do want some color options, you have this palette, but the palette again limits you to what would look good within your theme. You can even use an image as a background if you would like. You can insert divider, so you can have a little bar. Then if you're ready to do more text, you can again hit the text box button here, or even if you just double click anywhere on your page, then you get this handy dandy quick insert tool. I want another text box. Very nice. My favorite thing is that, again, I just double clicked. You can just grab anything from your Google Drive, and whatever you insert, I don't even know what this is, it will be embedded right there. Now, if you decide that you don't like the way things are organized, as you hover over them, there will be this little, right in the middle of those little dots. If you grab that, then you can just drag it around. You can even drag it beside something. You can resize. You want this to be smaller. You want this to be bigger. So it's very intuitive. You don't have to have any coding experience. You don't have to write any HTML. If you want to search for an image, you can actually just search Google right here. I want a picture of math. Let's see what Google thinks math looks like. Perfect. That's exactly what math looks like. If you don't like where it went, you can grab it and drag it right where you want it. Well, maybe that's not really where I wanted it. I really wanted it over here. So it's great because it's fairly user-friendly, but it will limit your options to make sure you don't make an ugly website. So it's almost foolproof a little bit in the fact that it forces you kind of down a certain path to make an attractive website. But the design, very intuitive. You can make things that look very nice, no HTML skills, and make those things very quickly.